Hello friends, this is Vivek. In last video we have seen about introduction and formulas of arithmetic mean. In this video we are going to see some more questions based on AP. So here we are given on question number 8. Find the sum of all integers between 1 to 100 which are divisible by 2 or 3. It means we need to find sum of all the integers starting from 2 plus 3. It means it should be multiple of 2 and 3 both. Next will be 4, next 6, then 8, then will be 9, then 10, 12 plus 14 plus 15 and so on. At last it will be 99 plus 100. Now if you see all these numbers, in this what are the numbers we have given? The numbers are which are multiple of 2 and multiple of 3, but if you see the some number which are multiple of 6 that are repeated 2 times. So what we need to find actually, this sum will be equal to numbers divisible by 2 plus numbers divisible by 3 minus the numbers divisible by 6. Okay, then it will be 2 plus 4 plus 6. At last it will come 100. First plus, what about second? Multiple of 3. It means 3 plus 6 plus 9. At last it will come 99. Minus what we need to subtract? Multiple of 6. 6 plus 12 plus 18. At last we will get 96, which is multiple of 6. Now in first bracket if you take 2 common, we will get 1 plus 2 plus 3. At last we will get as 50. And this will become sum of 50 natural numbers. Plus in second bracket if you take 3 common, we will get 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 33. This will be sum of first 33 natural numbers. Minus if you take 6 common here, 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 16. Now for sum of 50 natural numbers, what will be the formula? Is 2 into n into n plus 1 by 2. It means 50 into 51 divided by 2. 2 will be cancelled out. Plus 3 into, here also n into n plus 1 by 2. Means 33 into 34 divided by 2. This will become 17. Minus 6 into 16 into 17 divided by 2. We can solve all this, we will get the answer. Next question we have given as, find the sum of all 3-digit natural numbers which are on division by 7 leaves remainder 3. Means we need to find sum of all the 3-digit numbers. If we divide that number by 7, we should get remainder 3. Then what is the first 3-digit number? 100. We will check. If we divide this 100 by 3, what will be the, 7. Then how much will be the remainder? 1 time we will get 3, 0, 4 times 28, 2 will be the remainder. This 100 by 7 we can write 14 is to 2 by 7. It means remainder will be 2. So what will be the first number? First number should be 101. So that you will get remainder 3. It means A value we are getting as 101. And what will be D value? 7. A means T1. T1 value we are getting 101. What about T2? T2 value, in this you have to add 7. You will get 108. T3 will be what? 115. Same like this you have to find last number. What will be the last number? Last 3-digit number is what? 999. If you divide this 999 by 7, what you will get? You will get 1 and here 2, 9. 4 times 28, 1, 4, 2 times 14, 5 by 7. We are getting remainder as 5. So what should be the last number? Last number should be 997. So that you will get remainder 3. It means Tn value we have given as 997. 997. We know the Tn formula. Tn formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. And this will be equal to 997. Substitute all the values. A value we know 101 plus n minus 1 into D value we know 7 will be equal to 997. Then if you solve this n minus 1 into 7 will be equal to 997 minus 101. And this n minus 1 will be equal to 896 divided by 7. Divide it. We will get 1, 2, 8 and 28. It means n value will be how much? 129. N value we are getting as 129. Then they are asking sum of all 3 digit numbers. Okay. Then we need to find Sn. What will be Sn formula? Sn formula will be n by 2 bracket A plus L. Because we know the last terms, that's why we will apply this formula A plus L. Substitute here. N value is 129 divided by 2 bracket A value is 101 plus L value is 997. Last term. Then we can solve this. Then you will get as 129 into this will be 1098 divided by 2. Cancel out. You will get 549. Then Sn will be equal to 129 into 549. This will be answer. We'll move to next question. Find the sum of the series. We have given 100 square minus 99 square plus 98 square. This sum we need to find. S equal to 100 square minus 99 square plus 98 square minus 97 square plus 96 square minus 95 square plus at last what we are getting? 2 square minus 1 square. So here we have not given direct AP or G. AP only we are saying, then we have not given direct AP. So what we will do? We will try to convert. If you see the first two terms, 100 square minus 99 square. So what can we write this as? A square minus B square. A plus B, 100 plus 99. Second bracket will be A minus B, 100 minus 99. Same like this, next two also we can combine. Plus 98 plus 97. Second bracket will be 98 minus 97. Plus 96 plus 95. Next you will get 96 minus 95. And so on. At last what you will get? 2 plus 1 and 2 minus 1. Now if you see the second bracket of each term, each value is 1. 100 minus 99 is 1. 98 minus 97 also will be 1. 96 minus 95 also will be 1. And here 2 minus 1 also will be 1. So 1 into any number will be same number. So no need to write. What we are getting? 100 plus 99 plus 98 plus 97 plus 96 plus 95. At last what you will get? You will get plus 2 plus 1. This is what? This we have given as sum of 100 natural numbers. Then formula will be n into n plus 1 by 2. Means 100 into 101 divided by 2. Cancel out this one 50. 50 into 101 will be 50. This will be our answer. So we will move to next. This is IIT question. Let A1, A2, A3 A11, the real numbers satisfying A1 equal to 15, they have given A1 equal to 15. And one more thing, they have given 27 minus 2A2 should be positive number, and AK will be equal to 2AK minus 1 minus AK minus 2. So if you, from here if you write 2AK minus 1, what can we write? This will be AK plus AK minus 2 divide. Okay. So from here if you want to write AK minus 1, this will be AK plus AK minus 2 divided by 2. This we are getting. Now here they have given K values, they have given as 3, 4, 5 up to 11, where K is valid for 3, 4, 5 up to 11. So if you put K equal to 3 or K equal to 3, what we will get? For K equal to 3 we will get A3 minus 1, 2. A2 will be equal to A3 plus A1 divided by 2. If you see this, they have given A1 plus A3 divided by 2 equal to A2. What it means? It means we can say A1, A2, A3 are in AP. Similarly, if you put K equal to 4. For K equal to 4, what you will get? A4 minus 1 will be 3, will be equal to A4 plus A2 divided by. Here also we can say A2, A3, A4 are in AP. If you see the first AP, what will be the common difference of the first AP? D. It will be A2 minus A1. And this will be equal to A3 minus A2. Same like this, common difference of second AP will be what? It will be A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2 is the common difference of both AP. It means all these four terms are terms of a same AP. It means we can say that all these terms, similarly we can say all these terms A1, A2, A3, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 up to A11 are in AP. If they are in AP, then we can apply AP rule. Okay, so we are getting as A1, A2, A3, A4 up to A11 are in AP. And we have given A1 value we have given as, let's say A1 equal to A, and this value we have given as 15, we will use later. A2 value will be what? A plus D. What will be A3 value? A plus 2D. Similarly, A11 will be A plus 10D. Now, we have given one condition. What is that condition? A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square divide up to A11 square divided by 11 will be 90. Okay. So we have given A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square up to A11 square, and whole divided by 11, and this value will be 90. So if you cross multiply this and substitute the A1, A2, A3 value, A1 value will be A square plus A plus D square plus A plus 2D square, and so on. At last what we will get? A plus 10D square, and this value will be 990. So if you see this, if you write all these things in summation form, this will be summation. First term they have given A square, can we write as A plus D, A plus 0D. First second term you have given A plus 1D. Third term you have given A plus 2D. It means we have given as a plus rd square, and where r value will vary from 0 to 10, last is 10, and this value we have given as 990. Now expand it, a plus b whole square formula. This will be summation r equal to 0 to 1, 0 to 10, a square plus 2ard plus r square d square, and this value is given as 990. Then if you expand it, this will be summation r equal to 0 to 10 a square plus summation r equal to 0 to 10 2ard plus summation r equal to 0 to 10 r square d square, and this value will be 990. Now here r is a variable, other thing will be constant, so a square we can write outside, summation r will be 0 to 10 1 plus here we can write 2ad outside, r will vary from 0 to 10 summation r plus this d square we can write outside, summation r will vary from 0 to 10 r square, and this value will be 990. Now if you substitute the value, summation 1 formula we know n, and how many, what is the value? If you start from, if you substitute r equal to 0, it will be 1. Substitute r equal to 1, even then also 1, up to 10. How many numbers will be? 11. So we will get a square into 11 plus this will be 2ad into summation r. We can start from 1 also, because if substitute r equal to 0, it will be 0. So no use. We can start from 1 also, 1 to 10. Then formula will be n into n plus 1 by 2. 10 into 11 divided by 2 plus d square into, here also we can start from 1. Then you will get 10 n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. 11 into 21 divided by 6, and this will be equal to 990. So 2 will be cancelled out here, and this 6 also we can cancel here, 5 and here 7, and we will get 11 a square. A square value is what? 15 square 225 plus here 10 into 15 will be 150. 150 into 11d plus 35 into 11 d square, and if you bring this 990 to this side, minus this 990, what can we write? 90 into 11 will be 0. And can we take 11 common from all this? Then if you take common, you will get 225 plus 150d plus 35d square minus 90 will be equal to 0. This will be 35d square plus 150d plus 225 minus 90. This 225 minus 90 will be 5, and here 12, 3, 135. Okay, so we will get as 135 will be 0. So we can take 7, we can take common, 7, 5 we can take common. Okay, then if we get 7d square plus 30d plus 27, and this will be equal to 0. Now this we need to solve. This 27 into 7, we factor this, 30 we need to bring. So 21 plus 9, yes, 7d square plus 21d plus 9d plus 27 will be 0. Then in this, if you take 7d common, you will get d plus 3 plus 9, if you take common, d plus 3 will be equal to 0. Then we will get as d plus 3 into 7d plus 9 will be 0. From here d will be minus 3 or d will be minus 9 by 7. Now, but here they have given one condition. They have given 27 minus 2a2. 27 minus 2a2 should be positive. Okay, what will be a2 value? a2 value will be a plus d. A value we know 15 plus d value. Let's say we will check for this. 15 plus d. This will be your a2. Now, if you check for if d will be minus 3, then what will get 27? We will get 27 minus 2 into a2 will be 53, sorry 15 minus 3, 15 minus 3, and this should be positive. This should be positive. If this will be positive, then okay, otherwise okay. So leave it. Okay, then this one 27 minus 15 minus 3 will be 12. 12 into 2 will be 24. This will be 3, and which is positive. It means d equal to minus 3 is acceptable. Now we will check for d equal to minus 9 by 7. If d will be minus 9 by 7, then what you will get? 27 minus 2a2 will be equal to 27 minus 2 into 15 minus d is what? 9 by 7. 9 by 7. And this will be 27 minus 2 into, if you take LCM will be 7. And here 105 minus 9. And this will be okay, 27 minus 105 minus 9 will be 5, 96 into 2. 96 into 2 will be 192. Okay, divide by 7. So if you take LCM here, this will be 7. Actually it will be a negative only, because 7 to 7 will be 49, and 7 to 2 14 plus 4 18. 189 minus 192, which will be less than 0. It means d equal to minus 9 by 7 is not accepted. So what we need to find? We need to find a1 plus a2 plus a3 up to a11 divided by 11. It means s11 divided by 11 we need to find. We need to find s11 divided by 11. Okay, what is the formula? 11 by 2 bracket 2a, 2a, a is what? 15 plus n minus 1, n is what? 11 minus 1, 10, into d is what? Minus 3, divided by 11, divided by 11. 11 will be cancelled out. This 2 will 1 by 2 bracket 30 minus 30. 30 minus 30 will be how much? We are getting 0. Thank you very much. Please do like, share and subscribe to motivate me for making many more new videos.